week 4, Wake Forest game. I got it just like a little routine handoff going up the middle. The defender just stepped on my ankle the wrong way and I just felt a pop. I tried to get back up, tried to go again, but it just swelled up on me real fast. I was devastated about the injury because it was early in the season. I didn't want to miss a lot of the time. I just wanted to prove myself that I was healthy and ready to go. When I researched the TightRope surgery, they said that most players recommend on off season, they get it just to prevent ankle sprains or anything like that. So yeah, I felt comfortable about it, knowing that a lot of pro athletes are comfortable having that surgery done. My recovery was 6 weeks. It just felt like a massive weight vest come off of me because I felt so good. My ankle feels amazing. I've been working out, running, doing all the movements that I couldn't do before, getting back into the rhythm and just to be the best player that I can be. It takes a lot of preparation, hard work, and dedication. Football has brought me a long way. At Virginia, I'm excited to see what me and my teammates can accomplish.